G'day folks, behind me here we have a Pro Series 3.6 by 2.1 flat top trailer. So featuring our signature 4.5 tonne FEA tested and engineered chassis, centre mount jack stand, safety chains and a 50mm coupling. I'm going to run you through just quickly what options and accessories we've got on this trailer. So at the front here we've got the Drawbar Toolbox, a fully lockable and sealed aluminium toolbox. Perfect for straps, tools, grease guns, etc. On the trailer, the customer has opted for the 250mm drop side package. Like all Ox Pro Series flat top trailers, the drop side spigots, whether that's the center ones, the rear ones, or the front ones, they're all removable, so you can take them out and have a dead flat deck. Customer has also opted for a heavy duty front headboard, and this is removable, but it's great for strapping down different objects to the headboard that you might be carting from day to day. As well as that, the customer has chosen some flush mount in-floor welded in tie down points. A nice feature, again giving you the flat floor, but also you can pop them up when you need to strap items down inside the trailer. So it's a really basic but heavy duty trailer built and designed to work. Underneath it, we've got our 4.5 tonne rocker roller suspension, our 4.5 tonne Land Cruiser wheels and light truck tyres. Along with the trailer options, the customer has also chosen to go with the 2.5 tonne aluminium ramps and Undertray ramp storage. Great option for little excavators, ATVs, buggies, skid steers, cars, whatever you want to put up on top of your trailer, these are a great option. So like I mentioned, the ramp storage up underneath the tray there, nice and easy to use. Latch them shut, and you've got the stabiliser legs underneath here at the back to take the weight off the tow vehicle when you're loading onto the trailer. So if you're in the market and you want an Australian made heavy duty trailer, talk to the team because I'm pretty sure we can help you.